Good afternoon, guys. It's working, bringing you a little something different this time. I want to do a video, make you guys aware of a project I'm extremely excited about. The project is called TIMM. TIMM stands for Traders and Investors Mentor Market. And basically, it is a site that's being put together by some very, very good guys. I've got to know them very well. Full disclosure, I'm a contributor at this site, although I'm not an employee. I'm not getting paid to do this video. I get no kickbacks if you sign up at all. This is not an affiliate link. I'm just doing this because I respect my followers and I think there's a lot of value that you can find in this site, and I encourage you to check it out for yourself. It's called TIMM, and basically TIMM is a site that brings together analysts, investors, and people of all different backgrounds, from people that are just interested, just starting out, to people that are day traders and very, very advanced. All different backgrounds, and they bring them together into one place. And it's a place where you can exchange ideas. If you are somebody that enjoys posting, it's a place that you can try to post. As you can see, here are some of the latest posts for the day. I go through these every single day, read most of them, and learn something new almost every time. I'm a contributor there, guys, but I have to tell you, there's a lot of sharp people that post on here, and I learn something from almost every single one of them all the time. I do post on here as well. Other people ask me questions about my post. They're intelligent questions. I have to defend my positions, and iron sharpens iron, guys. It really does help. And again, not to intimidate anybody, if you don't know what you're talking about, if you're just getting into this market and just have no really idea about stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, forex, whatever it happens to be, this is the place to learn. There are no stupid questions at all. And I say questions because there are places on here I'm going to show you where you can interact in real time with people. Ask any question you want. I mean, where else can you go where you can find a bunch of analysts and you can ask them questions, and this is all free. I mean, none of this costs money for you. This is all completely free to sign up. Now, I think down the road, guys, they are just getting started. As I said, guys, they're still building the website, although you can sign up now. You can see it says, "Pardon our desk where we work to bring you TIMM." You can sign up. You can start taking advantage of the features that are currently live, but there are many, many, many more features that are still coming. A lot of things in the background, a lot of things I can't really talk about, but I'm extremely excited about. And I highly encourage you guys, if you haven't checked out TIMM yet, come check it out. So basically, let me walk you through this site. Of course, this is the home page. You can see these are where all the posts go. If you are somebody, as I said, that enjoys posting, one of the reasons why these posts are so great, if you look at some other sites, sites like Steemit or some of these other sites, guys, you see a lot of spam, a lot of pictures of dogs and families, and nothing wrong with any of that, or art and things. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that's if you're looking at this for investment purposes, you want to get through all of it, and you don't want to have to sift through a bunch of family photos or pictures of dogs or art. You want to get to the good stuff, and you also don't want to read posts from some guy sitting in his mom's basement that's acting like an expert. These posts have all been vetted. They've been vetted by the owners of TIMM, and if they get posted, that means they are either by they've been vetted, they've been read, the information is valuable, or if you are an author that has been posting on TIMM for a while, sometimes you can just post directly without it getting vetted because you are obviously have established a reputation. But all these posts are extremely, extremely valuable information. I learn something almost every day from reading this, guys, and I'm not ashamed to say it. And I also, as I post on here, some people ask me questions about my posts, and I have to defend my positions, and it helps me. It keeps not only keeps me honest, but it keeps me sharp. So I encourage you to check it out. So I'm going to walk you through this. If you don't have an account, you come over here in the right hand corner. You just hit login. You hit sign up. From there, you'll be able to, if you have any account on any Steam-based platform, TIMM is a Steam-based platform, so you should be able to link your account through Steam Connect. So just go ahead and hit sign up. If you don't, again, just hit sign up and follow the prompts. I'm going to go ahead and sign in since I already have an account. Okay, guys, I've signed in. And sorry, I had to pause the video just obviously so I didn't give away my password or anything. So here's the site. Here's the site, guys. It doesn't look much different than what I was just showing you, but this is going to let me navigate through the site a little better. So let's just look at some of these posts, guys, and see. So let's come up to Bitcoin here. This just happened to be. This is by a contributor called Trade Alert, and he's one of the analysts here. He's very good guy. And all the analysts are just great. Not only very sharp, but very good guys. I've got to know some of them, and they're just wonderful. But as you can see, guys, you can read the post. Look at the. This happens to be on Bitcoin. Read the in this example, read the technical analysis of a Trade Alert's technical analysis, his opinions on Bitcoin, where it may not be going. And then at the bottom, you can vote on that post. You can reply to the post, ask a question of the analysts. You can hit re-steam on the post. So if you have an account here, you can go ahead and re-steam it, which just means that you can promote the post yourself, and you can vote on the post. I'm just go over here and you can hit vote. I've already voted on this post, so let me give you a better, a different post that I may not have voted on, just as a little better an example. Here is one by Heidi Travels. She writes a lot of information on cryptocurrency. She does some videos and puts just some very solid, very good content. And if we come down here, if I wanted to vote on the post, I just hit vote. You can see it's got a slider, so I can vote however much or however little I want to on this particular post. If I want to vote 100%, I can do that. If I want to post less or vote less than that, I can do that, knowing that I've only got so much voting power. Oftentimes if you vote 100%, you waste your voting power very quickly. So if I vote something like 50%, still a decent vote power, still a decent vote, but it doesn't waste a lot of my voting power. And you can see here, of course, the authors get paid in cryptocurrency. In this case, they get paid in Steam for how well they do. And it's up to you, each of the users, to decide how well they do. You can see 143 people in this particular post have voted, and this particular person has made $19.35 for their particular post. Another cool thing about TIMM that you will not find on other sites, there are many things that you won't find on other sites, but let's say that instead of voting, you got a good stock tip, or you got some piece of information that really helped you out a lot, made you some money, and you want to just give an extra thank you. It's got a little tip function right here. So it says, in this particular case, says tip Heidi Travels. That's the author in this particular case. And all the tip, if I just press that, all the tips are capped right now at 0.1 Steam. So it's not, it's not too much Steam to break you, but it's enough to say thank you. So it comes here, it links directly to Steam Connect. I just hit continue. I sign in under my name, which is working. It auto fills out the password if you've already signed in before, which I have. And I just hit sign in, and boom. I've just tipped Heidi Travels 0.1 Steam, and she'll get a notification in her Steam wallet letting her know that I gave her a tip. And it's a way to say thank you. But it's not just on posts. Okay, guys, I'm back with you. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video real quick. So yeah, it's not just on posts that you can tip. And you don't have to post to necessarily make money. If you have a good comment below this, if you ask a question or if you give an answer to somebody in the comment section below here, you can also get tipped. You can see each one of these comments also has a section to tip people. Here I can tip, let's see here, this was the Wealth Unit. I could tip him for his comment if I want to. So you can tip anybody that's on the platform that is interacting with the comment, with the post, or anything else. And what do I mean by anything else? Let me come back to the home page. So I just hit the TIMM logo up here. It brings me right back to the home page. And look at these tabs up here. Now we have markets. This is not live yet. This isn't available yet, but this is coming. And we'll outline the various markets. We also have a mentors tab. I'm part of that. I'm one of the mentors here. Each one of these tabs will bring you directly to the mentors site. So I'll go ahead and click on mine to show you the my particular profile page. You can set up everybody that comes here and creates an account on TIMM will have their own personal profile page that other people can check out, and you can customize this however you want, of course, with your own pictures, with your own story. You can put your own top picks here, whether that be stocks, cryptocurrencies, whatever that happens to be. You can put those right here as well. Over here on the right, now this is just a sample. This section is not live yet. It's just giving you an idea of what it will be, but in the future you're going to be able able to customize this, and you can customize it with your strategies, scalping, swing trading, etc. You can customize this with the particular markets that you enjoy trading or are interested in or investing in crypto, forex, stocks, etc. All of these things, and it also has a third section called services. This is going to allow certain people called mentors, if they would like to offer some type of a service, be it if you're a day trader and you would like to open up a service, a paid service to for calls, certain or for certain stock picks or etc. Things like that, you can create your own service, and this will let people know that you have a service to offer. And if they would like to take you up on that service, they can at that time. Again, it's not live yet, but that's what that's for. So you can see where this is going, guys. This is going to be its own little marketplace, and again, it's completely free to sign up, costs nothing to sign up. Once they start offering services, yeah, those will be some premium services that if you choose to, you can pay for. But I mean, you will get so much. I still can't believe that this is free. I mean, I can't believe somebody's offering all of this for free. There's a wealth of information here, guys, that it's just I urge you to take advantage of it. So again, over here on the side, you can have a blog where you can blog and put your own story that people can come and read. You have a schedule, your own calendar, your own feed right here. And you have a private, now not everybody, the mentors will have a private pit. So if they're a mentor, you can hit their private pit. This is mine. They just got live today or a few days ago, so they're just getting up and running. But this will be where you can contact a particular mentor and ask them questions and have a little more of a private conversation with them. Pardon me, guys. So those are the per the private pits, and you can see, of course, here this is where all the latest articles that if you do post, this is where all your latest articles will be posted. Is right here in your section. So the advantage of this is anybody can come look at your particular profile and see what your likes are, what your dislikes are, and what your interests are, and you can find like-minded people to interact with on the site. And you can interact with them in real time. Again, investment strategies, stock picks, etc. How do you interact with them in real time? Okay, let's go over here to this this section up here called the trading pits. Now I have a couple extra little blocks here because, as I said, I'm a contributor here, but you won't see those. What you'll see is members and trading floor. Now, and you've got to sign in to see the trading floor. If you don't have an account, you'll only see the members section, and you can only interact in these sections if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can read, but you can't interact. Now, the members section basically is kind of an anything goes. You can discuss almost whatever you'd like here. You can ask questions. You can get answers to questions. You can answer questions yourself. I mean, you can engage with other people. If you happen to know any answer to a question, you can jump right in. And you don't always have to be right. This is just open and free dialogue to do with as you will. The contributors on TIMM will decide what goes in this content. Now the trading floor is right now. If you sign up, it's completely free to access. This is going to be where sometimes possible calls will go. Stock tips again. Cryptocurrencies that people feel are going to explode or tank. That type of thing that will go on the trading floor. Right now, that's completely free. So if you sign up now, you'll have access to this for free. In the future, I think that's going to be a premium function, I believe. But as of now, you can take advantage of all these functions completely free of charge. And the member section, that will always be free. Again, guys, within this section, so this is chatting in real time. Within this chat section, guys, if you happen to, let's say that you ask a question and someone gives you a good answer and it makes you some money. What do you think Apple is going to do tomorrow? And they let you, or in the next week, and they give you some good advice on Apple, and you make some money or you save some money from that advice. Again, this is where you can come in and say thank you with a little tip right here with in Steam. So you can tip people and also receive tips by answering questions or getting answers to your questions. And so again, it's a very, very unique place that I'm just extremely excited about, and I still can't believe it's free. Okay, the portfolio section up here, you'll be able to customize yourself. You hit that, and you just basically will be able to list whatever you happen to be investing in, whether it be cryptocurrency, whether it be stocks, etc. And not only do you list them, it gives you the in real time. It's giving you the chart and the price and everything else. Again, all in real time to whatever you happen to like. And that, I mean, right there. The other very cool thing about this is you don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to go to a separate charting site for this. It's all right on TIMM. And let's say you're an analyst and you would like to have some kind of an indicator on here. And again, for those of you that aren't day traders, again, this might not mean much to you. For those of you that do a little bit of trading or are interested in trading, you basically just come in here, you click this button up here, which is the indicators button, and any indicator you happen to want. So if I want Bollinger Bands, I click Bollinger Bands. And what happens? Boom, I've got Bollinger Bands right there outlined on my chart. In this case for Apple. I mean, and you can come over here and you can add or delete whatever you'd like from your watch list. At least you will be able to once this is up and running. Add or delete anything you want from your watch list there, guys. You can compare different currencies. If I come up here and I hit this compare function and I want to look at Apple to Ford, for if I don't know why you would, but boom, there you go. I'm looking at Apple to Ford right here. Happens to be in percentages, but there you go. I mean, this is just extremely, extremely valuable to guys to have all this in one place. I'm just thrilled by this, and I hope you will be too. Again, looking over here, guys, you'll also have a list of, you'll be able to customize this as well on the home page. You'll see in real time the particular stocks, cryptocurrencies that you're interested in, all listed here in real time. You can see there's a crypto section, stocks section, Forex, futures, all listed, all here in real time, all for you to take advantage of, all free of charge. So anyway, guys, I highly encourage you to check out TIMM. Oh, one more thing I forgot to cover, guys, before I let you go here. To submit a post, you come up here and, of course, you hit Submit Post. You hit your title, you fill out your post. You can insert images by dragging them in there, or you can just hit the Insert Image thing, Insert Image button. The categories you put right down here. So, for example, stocks, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Apple, whatever your category happens to be. And then you just hit Post. And when you do, that gets posted to the Steem blockchain. So any site that's on the Steem blockchain, that'll get posted directly to. Now, it will not get posted directly to TIMM, as I told you. If it did, you'd have to sift through all kinds of spam and things because anybody would be able to post. However, it will go through a vetting process if you want it to, and if you want to submit it for TIMM, there'll be an option for you to hit submit and submit it to a vetting process, and that vetting process, if it's accepted, then you will be posted on TIMM. If you get posted on TIMM, obviously your exposure will go up quite tremendously. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to explain to you how that worked, how the posting function worked, and give you a little bit of an idea of how this all takes place. So anyway, guys, I highly encourage you to check it out. All the links will be in the bottom of this post. Until next time, guys, please take care of yourself. I look forward to talking to you on TIMM. And if you do come by, let them know Workin sent you, and stop by the trading pits right here, guys, and just say hello. We'd love to see you. So anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it there. Any comments, questions, suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, please trade safe. Take care of yourselves. This is Workin, signing out.